grabbed my wrist. The billboard was promoting someone I knew, but boy, I'm glad I'm not in his shoes. Cause I'm free, spirit forever. I am free, spirit forever. Speeding through town, taking a chill. Patrolman let me go, $200 bill. Better let me sign this page in your book. Leave the town feeling like I'm some kind of crook. The border police noticed a guitar. They asked me if I was gonna be a star. Cause I'm free, spirit forever. I am free, spirit forever. I don't wanna work for anyone but me. That's my biggest plan, forever being free. It's better to spend time with someone that you love. No looking back on life, cause you're free, spirit forever. Free, spirit forever. Again, I won't ever doubt myself again. I won't ever doubt myself again. And I won't ever doubt myself. I'm free, spirit forever. I'm
Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, oui. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am, yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my ear like a beat. Maybe you could chill. All the stuff I have up in my head, I just wanna do. Maybe if you come then you can hang, you can meet the crew. We could even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a kid, everything was cool. Hope you never lose track, life's a little hard when you're not home, yeah. Yeah, I've been going and going, but still on my own, yeah. I'm a soldier, I fight for what's right, so my heart's just been fighting for you. What more can I do? I just wanna put you in a box like some. Keep you to myself, you know I don't wanna share no options. If I finally tell the truth, then I'm telling it to you. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, oui. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am, yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my ear like a beat. Maybe you could chill.
안녕하세요. Shawty, you magnificent for real. Tell me how it feel to be the one I meet. Only need a week with you, baby. You so bad, I cannot speak. Shawty, where you been at? I wish I'd known you sooner, so we hit the mat like judo. But I guess it's all okay though, cause we jumping on a plane. US dollars to some pesos on my mind like I'm insane. You my babe, we can go wherever you want. I got lemon in my water and these robes that you got on make me feel like I'm the man, but I can't wait to put you on. We could kick it with this 4-course meal and this nice red wine. Don't hold it all inside, you my number one.
Well, it's something like a Monday or maybe like a Tuesday. Really? I don't even know. Yeah, I went and tried to tell her that I love her, and she told me you can find your way to the friend zone. It's whatever. I don't even care anymore. I just really want to be alone. My best friend keep on blowing up my phone trying to ask me if I'm good, man. What do you think? I mean, really, if I'm trying to be real, then I already know what it is. The best thing you could ever want to wish for at the best time of the year. National Friends Day. I'm as green as I wanna be, cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine, I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still tell me take a hand, why we even turning up? You remember what the day is? Yeah, it's National Friends Day, yeah. National FRIENDS, National Friends Day, yeah. Is it really who we are? Is it really who I am? Is it really who you? Is it really about the green squares?